morning, grade 6 learners. How are you, kids? Well, that's a very good to hear. Now, we will be discussing a lesson from a subject that is full of facts, discovery, and knowledge. Welcome to our science class. I am Teacher Rex Katipunan, your science teacher for today. Before we are going to proceed to our new lesson, let us first be reminded by our house rules. First, you listen, and you cooperate. Now, let us first have a recap on our previous lesson. Let me ask you, why do you have day and night? Very good. We have day and night because of the rotation of the Earth. Another, how many hours in a day does the Earth rotate? Very good. The Earth rotates 24 hours in a day. And for the last question, why is it that the sun rises in the east and sets in the west? Very good. It's because of the counterclockwise spinning of the Earth. Kids, I think we're all ready for today's discussion. Basics learners, if you could live in one planet except planet Earth for just one day, what planet would it be and why? Very good. We have different opinions as to what planet we are going to live. But if you're going to ask me, I'd rather live in planet Mars because in recent research, it has oxygen that would fit to live life in there. Today, we are going to discuss comparing planets in the solar system. Kids, the solar system is composed of the Sun and the 8 planets, such as Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. They are classified as inner planets and outer planets. Kids, the first 4 planets like Mercury, Venus, Mars, and Earth are called terrestrial or inner planets. They are all solid and made up of rocks and metals. They do not have rings. Take note, Earth has 1 moon, Mars has 2 moons. I'll repeat, Earth only have 1 moon, while the Mars have 2 moons. In fact, Venus and Mercury have no moon. Grade 6 learners, inner planets and terrestrial planets have mountains and volcanoes. However, outer or Jovian planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. They all have gases like hydrogen and helium. They all have rings and moons, but Saturn has the most beautiful and prominent ring. However, Uranus and Neptune are ice giants. When you say ice giants, it is an interior composition of compound like water, ammonia, and methane. Now, kindly answer the following questions. Question number 1. What are the 4 terrestrial and inner planets and what are they made of? Very good. The 4 terrestrial and inner planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, and they are made up of rocks and metals. I'll repeat, they are made up of rocks and metals. Question number 2. What are the outer planets or Jovian planets? And what are they made of? Very good. We have Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. And all of them are made up of gases like hydrogen and helium. Who among of you got 100? Very good. Now, let's proceed to our second activity. Compare and contrast the following pairs of planets by writing brief statement about each pair. Number 1. Mars and Earth. I'll repeat, Mars and Earth. Number 2. Venus and Mercury. I'll repeat, Venus and Mercury. Number 3. Saturn and Jupiter. Again, Saturn and Jupiter. Number 4, Uranus and Neptune. Now, we have to check your work. Number 1, Mars has 2 moons, while Earth has 1 moon. Number 2, both Venus and Mercury have no moon. They are all inner planets. Number 3, Saturn has the most beautiful and prominent while Jupiter is the biggest planet. Lastly, Uranus and Neptune are all ice giants, which belong to outer planets. Kids, what have you learned today? Very good! You have learned comparing planets in the solar system. What are the inner planets? We have Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, and they are made up of rocks and metals. How about what are the outer planets? Yes, we have Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, and they are made up of gases like hydrogen and helium. Kids, for your assignment, construct a model of a solar system. I'll repeat, construct a model of a solar system. Once again, I am Rex C. Katunan, your science teacher for today, leaving you a lesson to take good care of our planet Earth for future generation, and always follow the health protocols in the height of global pandemic. Thank you for listening.